माय नेम इज़ साहिल, आई एम परसिंग BGMC। मैंने आपकी वीडियोस बहुत बार देखी है और आपकी वीडियोस ने मेरी फोटोग्राफी स्किल्स काफ़ी इम्प्रूव कर दी है।
I really learned a lot from you, sir.
Oh, thank you.
Hello guys, I am with Radha Krishnan sir here and recording this video to just let you know that I watched his video Shoot Like a Pro and learned so much.
That's right. We also went for the Google for India 2022 at Pragati Maidan on the 19th of December. And in this video, we're going to be talking about what we experienced, what Pixel Village experienced there, and what we understood as Google is bringing for India in particular. Well, like I said, it's a long list. It took me a while to kind of compile them. And well, in this video, it's going to be pretty short, but we're going to be kind of recapping and also tell you about something what Pixel Village is really happy, excited, and well, proud. So it was a comfortable flight from Pune to Delhi, and we landed in Delhi on a Sunday evening, probably because it was a Sunday. We got saved from the notorious Delhi traffic, and of course what was interesting was the hotel in which Google put us up, the Imperial. What a place, what a place. I mean, it was established, I understand, in the 1930s, the mid 1930s, and I mean, you can see the style. I mean, but I could see a mixture of Victorian, I could see Art Deco in some places, and also an unmistakable Lutean style for sure. And what, I mean, real wood, real Persian carpet. What a treat, what a treat. I could catch those thrilling last moments of the FIFA World Cup football too. After a quick South Indian breakfast in North India, we set out to the venue, Pragati Maidan, and what a place, grand. Actually, this was my first visit to Pragati Maidan. We actually reached a little early, so I took some, shots for the Insta, social media posts and stuff. And we went inside, and that was magnificent. I mean, nothing less than that. There was this amazing large venue for the big event, and there were two smaller venues, one for Creating for India event, and another one is especially created for the women creators. And of course, there was enough and more food and refreshment for everyone to enjoy. The event kicked off bang on target at 11 o'clock as they had promised, and the event kicked off with the speech by Google India's country head and VP Sanjay Gupta. He actually gave an idea of what Google has been doing so far and what they are planning to do in the time to come. I kept on making notes, but yeah, I saw that live telecast 3 times over to really understand the magnitude of things which Google was offering. The emphasis was very clear. It was on 3 major items. AI, okay, AI for learning local languages, AI for understanding local weather and helping the farmer, AI for understanding languages and translation, and the next major thrust was on empowering women, more inclusivity and helping women entrepreneurs. And the third one was learning, which of course Pixel Viilage is interested in. Of course, not that we are not interested in the festive, we're equally interested, but learning is what we are in. Now, he also gave an idea of the size of the industry, the tech industry. So now it is about $230 billion, and it is expected to become 1 trillion by the end of this decade, which means it will end up close to 1/5 of the size of Indian economy. The reach of the internet user is about 700 million now, and it's expected to touch 1 billion. Now, that's a huge number, correct? I mean, the way in which the internet is going to empower a common man on the ground is going to be mind-blowing, and Google has reaffirmed their role to participate in that particular event. And of course, very evidently, Google is going to use money from that 10 billion India Digitization Fund, which the CEO Sundar Pichai had promised some time back, and it's already, we can see already actions on the ground. And of course, there was this amazing session with Sundar Pichai and the Honorable IT Minister Ashwini Vaishnav. India faces a particular challenge which many Western countries don't really face, is the sheer number of languages and dialects that the country has. We have many major languages and about, thousands of dialects. So they have, Google have joined hands with the Indian Institute of Science and doing research on languages and dialects in about 773 places. The research has already started. So what they are trying to see how the dialect is varying from place to place, and the AI is learning that. Once this project is completely completed, well, the Indians are going to benefit immensely. The result of which is being visible in various places in small different ways. The first one will be language translation or dubbing, for example, is currently being offered in health-related videos. For example, there are lots of partners who have partnered in creating health-related videos because Indians, as per Google, ask a lot of health-related questions on the internet. So lots of big medical institutions in the country have joined hands with Google to make this possible, to reach medical advice possible to the end user. So any videos which are health related can be played in multiple Indian languages, can be dubbed in multiple Indian languages, which means you can go to a health related video at this point in time. I'm sure it will be extended to other types of videos as well. I'm sure the next one will be learning for sure, but health related videos from these contributors, what you can do is to go and choose your preferred language in which you want to hear the video in. So currently it's available in English. You can choose Hindi, Punjabi, Bengali and Tamil, and they are extending it into other Indian languages as well. That's one. Now you can search it in English, that is a mixture of English and Hindi. For example, wedding photography के लिए कौन सा कैमरा अच्छा है? You know, this kind of questions can be asked, and Google will, of course, will throw up a ton of results in front of you. Another very, very touching development was this thing called Project Relate. Lots of people face challenges in speaking very clearly. So all those people have those special kind of situations where they cannot speak very well. This particular Relate app will understand you and will translate into English or the language of your choice to the listener. The story of Chandni was really, really touching.
मेरी बात समझना आसान नहीं है और कोई ना कोई ऐसा दिलाता है।
लोग कहते थे कैसी आवाज़ है, बार बार बोल पाते थे। लोग मजाक उड़ाते थे कि इसकी शादी नहीं होगी, और इसी टाइम रिलेट ऐप ट्राई करना इसने शुरू किया है। इसके साथ चांदनी अपनी बात नए लोगों को भी समझा सकती है।
इस साइज में और भी कलर है।
इस साइज में और भी कलर है।
Well, then comes YouTube, which we were actually waiting for. I knew a little bit about it because, you know, we were part of that particular pilot program. So, Google actually contributed 10,000 crores, okay, into Indian GDP last year, and also created 750,000 full-time jobs only through YouTube. Well, so you're looking at one who's got a full-time YouTube related job. So 750,000 people, full-time jobs. I'm sure they've created a lot of part-time jobs too. So for in YouTube, you had access to all possible kind of information, right? Say, let's say learning, for example. If you wanted to learn about photography, everything that you need to know is available in the internet, but except that it is scattered. You need to really ask or use the right kind of questions or put in the right keywords to those videos to kind of show up in front of you. Well, in this case, the creator has this freedom to kind of put it in a sequential way, so that the student can learn it systematically, sequentially, and upgrade his understanding of, leave alone photography, any kind of learning. They're going to call it YouTube courses. I think that is fantastic, and Pixel Viilage is really looking forward to that happening, and it's going to happen very soon, I must say. And of course, I got to interact with some of the finest creators in the country too. What happened after lunch was really unforgettable for Pixel Viilage. Well, morning was very important. The afternoon was unforgettable. The reason is that the Creating for India event was compared by none other than the one and only technical Guruji, Gaurav Chaudhary. And he actually mentioned Pixel Viilage in his speech. He said, "ये room में ऐसा एक आदमी है जिसका वीडियो मैं देखता हूँ." And he asked me to stand up, and it was probably for me kind of a paisa vasool kind of a situation. Thank you, Technical Guruji, for doing that. And there were so many people. They were discussing about, of course, learning, creating. There were these wonderful singers and dancers who performed in the afternoon. It was unforgettable. And on to the one side of this particular Creating for India event hall, there was a series of posters which was kept, and Pixel Viilage was there in one corner of that. And I was really happy. And not only that, I was really excited to be a part of this India Impact Report. This is, I mean, I could not have asked for more. Maybe yes, there was one more thing which I'll share with you at the end. We were featured in this Platform for Indian Opportunity, and it is conducted by the Oxford Economics, and Pixel Viilage was featured in it. Here is the tag that I was carrying. It was a report, and in which Pixel Viilage was featured. Well, This is something which I'm going to keep in my room, in the cabin, and I'm going to cherish this. And thank you, YouTube India, for this wonderful opportunity. And
Hello guys, I am with Krishnan sir here and recording this video to just let you know that I watched his video Shoot Like a Pro and learned so much. Basically, all of you can go to Pixel Village, can go to the academy to learn even more, about photography, videography, all the tips, tricks, how-tos, everything. Because I have been learning every day. You too can. Thank you.
और क्या चाहिए? Bye for now.